Hello everyone and welcome to eMath. Let's try to simplify this interesting algebra problem. Square root of 81 and the minus square root of 80. Okay, so this is equals to square root of 81 is equals to 9. So we have 9 and the minus square root of 80. But we need to know two formulas that we will need them later. Square root of a minus b squared is equals to absolute value of a minus b, and a minus b squared is equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so what do we have now? Square root of 9, it can be written as 4 plus 5, and the minus square root of 80, it can be written as 4 times 20, equals to square root of 4 plus 5, and the minus square root of 4 is 2, so we take out 2, and then times what's left is square root of 20. All this equals to square root of 4 and the minus 2 times square root of 20. It can be written as 4 times 5. And then what's left is plus 5. All this equals to square root of 4 and the minus 2 times square root of 4 times square root of 5 and then plus 5. Okay, before we continue solving this problem, if you like solving math problems, please subscribe my channel because I'm new on YouTube and I need your support. So what do we have now? Square root of 4, it can be written as square root of 4 squared, and the minus 2 times square root of 4 times square root of 5, and then plus 5, it can be written as square root of 5 squared. Now, here we have our formula a minus b squared that we have wrote it before. In this case, a is square root of 4 and b is square root of 5. So we have square root of 4 and the minus square root of 5, all this to the power of 2. Let's eliminate here. From our first formula that we wrote it before, we have absolute value of square root of 4 and the minus square root of 5. But we know that square root of 4 is smaller than square root of 5. So this means square root of 4 and the minus square root of 5 is smaller than 0. But absolute value of square root of 4 minus square root of 5 is positive, larger than 0. So we need to put a minus in front of brackets and we have square root of 4 and a minus square root of 5. And all this is equals to square root of 5 and a minus square root of 4. And this is our answer. If you enjoyed solving this problem, please like my video, ring the bell and subscribe my channel because I'm new on YouTube and I need your support. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time.